for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. It's good to see you. Today we're going to draw an animal. We're going to draw a cute piggy. Does that sound good? It's going to be fun.
How wonderful to see everyone today.
It is, Betty.
Oh, yay!
Artie, go and get your pens.
Okay.
I'm ready to watch. I'm ready to play. What's he going to create today?
I wonder what Artie is going to draw today.
Well, Betty, he's going to draw a cute piggy.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's get going.
Okay. Yeah.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start.
Let's start with a back to front S shape on the left, quite big. And then a right way round S shape on the right, and try and make it the same size as the one on the left. Join the two together at the bottom. That's a great start, Artie. Can you draw the ears, Artie? One on the left and one on the right. Little piggy ears. Oh yes, that's great. Now let's do some hair on the top. Really good. That's looking wonderful. Let's draw the left eye. Draw a big round circle, really big, and then draw a smaller circle near the bottom and fill that in all black. Now draw a circle on the right. Start from the left eye, come round, and then stop at the left eye. Perfect. And another small circle inside. And of course, we're going to colour that in black. Let's do some eyebrows. Draw a little triangle and fill it in black. And then one on the right. Little triangle. That's right. Fill it in black.
Oh, that's right.
You want a colour break?
Hello, little artist. It's time for Betty Brush's color break. Today's color is one of my favorite colors, pink. Did you know that if you take white paint and add a little bit of red, you get the color pink? Pink is the color of my favorite bird, the pink flamingo. Did you know that roses can also be the color pink? Pink is the color of Artie's nose.
Yes, your nose is pink, Artie. Let's carry on.
Okay.
Now let's draw the piggy's nose. Actually, pigs' noses are called snouts. To draw his snout, we really just draw an upside-down heart shape. Two little oval nostrils. Very good. And a half circle at the bottom for his mouth. Fill in the top part so that we can really see his tongue.
This is fantastic. I can't believe he can do that.
Artie can do anything, Mikey. Now we're going to draw his feet. They're actually called trotters. Do you see how Artie's drawing a little V first and then completing the oval? That makes a perfect pig's trotter shape. Draw a second line at the back. That gives the trotter a thickness. Now we're going to draw the front trotters. First, the left one. Remember the little V shape. And the right one. You're really concentrating, Artie. Draw the front legs, Artie. Are you happy with how it's going? Me too, I think it looks great. Oh, Artie, we must draw one of those cute, curly piggy tails. Oh, yes, that looks great. Finished! I think your piggy looks really cute, Artie. Now let's colour him in. You're finished. I really like the way you made him pink with purple ears and a purple tail.
Yay!
Yay! I also like the way you made his trotters yellow. They really stand out.
That was a wonderful show. Time to say goodbye.
Sadly, Betty, it is time to say goodbye. Have an arty day. We hope to see you again soon. But let's say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.